Actually, we are not just investing. Actually, we are originating this kind of business. We do not know at that time, 3 or 4 years ago, around about that time, that we will succeed this. But we need this kind of solutions for Indonesia. In agriculture, we see the declining of the farmers because they are old and the new generation don't want to come, while our population is expanding and we need more food. Less farmer means we need to engage with more technology. That is one. Second, we have more traffics. We have more traffics, and then with traffics we have very difficult to move around and very waste the time and not productive. Third, our infrastructure is not so good all around Indonesia. Certain area have no road and then very difficult for them to access to them. So we need solutions, we need innovative solutions. That's why we establish Frogs. Idealab is not just investing but building this startup. I have a dream that Indonesia one day can be equal to the developed nation in terms of technology. We do not know whether Indonesian government will adopt, but we have faith in Indonesian government that they will come up to build this technology, to work together to solve many problems in that Indonesia face today. That I'm sure, because this kind of technology will help Indonesians go further with cheaper investment and faster. So I believe that Indonesian government and Indonesian leader today will try to engage, and we see the progress they try to engage with the technology company, try to adopt more and more on how they operate the nations, how the entrepreneur, the business, the small medium enterprise to engage me more on technology. And Frogs will be the center of this technology. To tell you frankly, when you asked me this question 3 years ago, I don't have very clear direction on how we can get the money. But along the way, we gain more insight of the business. Today, if we see the agriculture industry, already billion-dollar business for drone services. So huge opportunity just only in one segment. Not consider the cargo industry, the logistic industry is another billion-dollar industry. Not to consider the people transport business is also another billion-dollar company, and also surveillance. Of course, this is not a billion-dollar business, but it needs to support these businesses. So I see the future of Frogs business is very bright. Today we cannot live like before. Our behavior today is driven by technology. Like 10 years or 12 years ago, we don't really use social media. Our action, if we eat, we talk. Today, before we eat, we order restaurant, we take photo first. We take photo first. That kind of behavior is driven by technology. The way we communicate, the way this all are derived by technology. So, Frogs, or any other technology company, startup, we start to bring the technology into the masses in Indonesia. We hope that Indonesia, many people start to engage, and many people start to co-develop this technology together. So I invite all the startups in Indonesia and also companies to engage more on technology, in embedding technology into their operations. We have 3 years down the line already with frogs, from conceptions to testing the first passenger that we failed, and now we are having the second version, that is we're able to make the products. Then we have a good team today. Then we need to improve more on our commercial basis and improve consistent quality. So I say within these 3 years we learn a lot. Yeah, it's a good milestone. We're able to launch products like sprayer. If you see our sprayer from version 1, version 2, version 3 is totally different. Yeah, you see from our surveillance, version 1, version 2, version is also different. It's improving a lot, and our passenger is also improving. So in the future, we can only see that frogs will continue to improve in terms of the products, in terms of their technology, in terms of their ability to adopt new technology. Not so many companies in Indonesia really invest in the aviation industry. Yeah, we have Dirgantara Indonesia. We have some small drone company for specific solutions, but none of this company really go mainstream. Yeah. We would like to create a history that frogs would be the mainstream solutions, the transportation solution in Indonesia. So that is our dream. We want frogs to be one of state of the art of karya anak bangsa from Indonesia. We want to make Indonesia proud. That is interesting, right? Not so many venture capital or accelerator you want to say, or the incubator you want to say, that really succeeding in collaborating their startup, internal startup or with outside ecosystem, because that is need first of all visions. Yeah, can they make shared visions together? If they have shared visions, then together we can solve the problem. Yeah, there will be many conflicts. There will be so many egos. Yeah, most of people after the vision they stop there. Yeah, they stop there, meaning that they don't have discipline and drive. But in UMG ecosystem, yeah, we are trained. Not trained. We are used to brutally face the fact. Yeah, whether it is good, whether it is bad, we accept that. Yeah, we don't play politics inside organization, inside ecosystem. Yeah, because of that, we are able to build trust. Yeah, and to build safety into the people. Now, when they feel trusted, when they feel safe about the ecosystem, about the environment, they can contribute. That is the spirit of collaborative. Yeah, we might not be successful, but at least we are one step ahead. Yeah. We are sure we can bring value to Indonesia in terms of technology, because this is growing so crazily fast, and none of any company able to take all. Yeah, So each company, each startup have to be very good in their field. Yeah. So we can collaborate. Yeah. We can collaborate and make new products that is better than any other company, and then we can go competing against world best technology company.